Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Amani. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate for you coming here every day to watch my video. Let's run to 600 subscribers. So guys, I'm coming live with that village. So guys, today I want to show you how we prepare a mixture of maize and beans in the village. So come with me guys. So guys, you can see I'm removing the maize where it has been attached so that it can be ready so that I can prepare it. Yeah. So guys, you can see in the village we have chicken. So guys, you can see my maize is ready. So this is our traditional winnowing fan. Yeah. So guys, the other thing I need to do is to sieve my maize so that it can be clean. So guys, I'm done. You can see now my maize is so clean. This is how it is. Okay. So guys, as usual, we know that here in the village we are using 3 stones to cook. Yeah. So you can see my fire is ready. So guys, you can see this is maize stock. We always use it as a fire here in the village. So guys, I have my pot here. I'm going to place it on like this. Then what? So guys, I want to put to add here in the pot, inside the pot maize. So you can wash it or not. It depends on how you cook. So the other thing guys, I'm going to I will use banana leaf to cover my pot. Yeah, so the air can't come outside. guys, now I want to check if my githeri is ready. So let me open it. So this is our lunch here in the village. Wow, so this so guys, our lunch is ready. So let me serve. I want to serve. So guys, I've taken just little. The remaining one I'll leave it here. So guys, this is salt. I want to mix I'm mixing it with salt.
Mm.
The bean. So guys, now our lunch is ready in the village. Yeah. So this is a mixture of maize and beans. So if you're coming from the village, you can try cooking just maize with beans, mix them together, then just add salt. Don't just salt. Then you can try if it's delicious. Cool. So guys, if you like this video, drop a comment down there. Then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can reach 1,000 subscribers. Bye.